I didn't know that there was a difference until today, so it's pretty funny. This is definitely a must cop sneaker this coming summer, and you know why. Let's get it. Yo, what is up, fam Bamaland? Welcome back to the channel. This is Kixplore, where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And today, obviously, we are talking about these babies right here. These are the Nike Jordan 1 Low in the neutral grey colorway. So this is a really special shoe. I couldn't wait to actually get it. The funny thing is, when I tried to cop this, I thought these already released in Australia and around the world, but I've just found out that they're releasing tomorrow in certain websites and boutiques here in Australia. So definitely go try check them out if the raffles are still open. Don't sleep on these guys. It's a gem of a sneaker, so definitely try to get it for retail if you can, or be like me and think that it was already sold out everywhere around the world. So I bought it off Goat. And yeah, sadly I had to pay resale. I had to pay like 356 Australian dollars for them. Oh, it's a really big punch to the wallet, but you know, I did it anyway. And it's kind of funny because I thought they would be cheaper when I bought it off Goat. I know there's like fees and everything, and especially when you have to remember to change the exchange rate from USD or whatever country back to your own country. And I thought I did it back to Australian dollars. Obviously I didn't, because it was a lot more, because I thought they were only supposed to be charging me like 250 something Australian dollars including shipping. And then later on when I checked my bank account, it was like 350 pounds. I was like, oh crap. I didn't know what I was going to say to Raquel, but you know, she loves me, so hopefully this is she's all right with it. Anyway, so don't forget to change the exchange rate, guys, and be sure that like whatever price you're paying for StockX or Goat, whatever it is, that it's you're prepared for it, you know. And the way that I always kind of prepare myself for it is by always adding an extra $100 just in case, in terms of, because you'll have to pay for taxes and fees and all that kind of stuff. So it's always a lot more expensive, but definitely, guys, I think this one is a definite banger and definitely worth it. Even if you don't get a chance to buy it for retail, I definitely think it's a really good, you know, sneaker to buy for the coming summer. Or if it's summer where you are, definitely try to get one wherever you may be, because this is so good. It's such a beautiful sneaker. Look at it, guys. Look at the detailing. It's such a plain sneaker, but it's beautiful, and you know, it's just a safe and guaranteed banger of a sneaker. That's why I really like it. Like whatever you wear with it, you're definitely, you're definitely gonna wear something really nice, and especially in outfit wise. And that's what I'll be doing in the future. This one is just basically a review, hands-on thoughts about what this sneaker looks like, and well, how does it compare to the other Jordan 1 general releases, and why is this one a lot more premium? Let me tell you guys. So I've got a comparison here. So you can, this is the standard general release Jordan 1 Low. You can see all the kind of detailing there, how it might look a little bit different. No, it does. It's not. It might look. It actually does look different when you go side by side. As you can see there, totally different designs in some of the aspects, especially in the heel counter right over there. You can see the designs are, you know, a lot more different. And especially because what you could see on the standard general release Jordan 1 Low is that it's like a stitched wings emblem on the back. It also has this design here around the collar, which is a little bit different in tumbled leather and everything like that. And you could feel like the, you know, it feels like it is $150 Australian dollars worth of a sneaker. That's what it feels like. And the price difference is around $40. So this is the Jordan 1 neutral greys is 190 Australian dollars if I'm not mistaken. And so there's a lot more. There's a $40 more, but the price hike is definitely worth it. You know, the suede on the swoosh and on the heel counter here on the back tab. Oh wow! So it feels so nice. It's so good. Definitely have to put a little bit of a sneaker protector on that to kind of protect it from any water, because I don't want it to get damaged. And since it's a white sneaker, so obviously it's gonna get, you know, dirty a little bit easier. So you do want to use like some like Crep Protect or like some sneaker laundry products out there, kind of to protect your sneaker, to keep it whiter for longer. But anyway, guys, definitely on the inside as well, on the inside lining, wow, it is a nice pair of shoes. This sneaker, it's like it feels really nice to the touch, whereas compared to the standard Jordan 1 low lining, it feels like, yeah, it feels a little bit more meshy, a little bit cheaper, I gotta admit, you know. But it's 150 and it's cheaper in price, so you'd think that the quality would be a little bit less, you know, compared to the superior Air Jordan 1 neutral grey. I don't even know what to call it, because they're both Jordan 1 lows, but one's got different, and one's like a real Jordan 1 low and the other one's sort of like a mid. It's a mid Jordan 1 low, if that makes sense. But yeah, this is so nice. All the detailing, it's got like a really soft mesh tongue, and also it's got the Nike Air, if you guys could see, the Nike Air on the inside of the insole, whereas the normal standard Jordan 1 low has just the, I don't know if you guys can see, it's just got the Jumpman logo there. So, you know, they both have their differences and all that kind of stuff. I'm still a fan of these ones. These are really nice, but whoa, come on guys, come on, these are beautiful. And I also wanted to talk about the boxes. So the box that it comes in is one of these, like the Nike high Jordan 1s kind of thing. And you know, I thought when I opened the box from the GOAT package, I thought, did I buy Jordan 1 highs or something? Because this is the only Jordan 1 high box that I have. And I thought, I was like, did I buy Jordan 1 highs? And when I looked inside, oh, it's just the Jordan 1 lows. But they're still a beautiful sneaker. And I was just really surprised because all the these sneakers, they come in this box. Like this, like a standard, not special Jordan 1 box, you know, just like a plain one. Yeah, that's why, yeah, I was really surprised when I saw this one. It's like, whoa! So there are like you know, benefits, or like, you know, whatever, if you're paying a little bit more for this one, yeah, I do believe you're getting a far superior version compared to this one, this general release one over here. Also guys, it comes with grey laces. So it comes with grey laces, so if you want to mix it up, it's gonna be looking sick. But I prefer to use more of like, I'm really into that whole vintage vibe, you know, where with the distressing and the aging look of making Jordan 1s and all that kind of stuff. So I bought some cream laces. So I bought cream laces from Lace Space over there. If you ever want laces, definitely check out Lace Space. Definitely a good place to get all these kind of sneaker accessories. Shout out to my man Alex. And yeah, these definitely go hard. I can't wait to actually try doing a styling video with the you know, the cream laces. Yeah, a person that does this really well at styling is a guy called Timothy. You can check out his channel. This guy's booming, man. He's got such mad style. Go check him out. But yeah, so I'm a really big fan of these guys. Definitely this coming summer, I must cop for you guys out there, especially, you know, because these look well with shorts and also long pants that like kind of drape over them. I do believe this is a really good one, guys. It's a really good investment. If you want something that you're definitely going to use in your sneaker rotation, definitely pick this up. Or you can just try get one of these. But yeah, I don't know. It's just it's not as special. I gotta admit, it's not as feel special compared to something like this, like a premium Jordan 1 low. I didn't know that there was a difference until today, so it's pretty funny. Anyway guys, thanks once again for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are going to try pick one of these up. Also comment down below is the places that you can try to pick these up for retail. I know there's a couple of places like Supply Store. I'm not really sure anyone else that is doing the raffle, but yeah, definitely put it in the comments down below to help out the other guys trying to cop this beautiful sneaker. Anyway, I hope you guys do get a chance to actually buy it for retail, not like me. But even if you don't get the chance to get it on the release day tomorrow or whenever that raffle day is, definitely try to pick up one up for resale. Maybe wait around before, like, you know, the initial hike of the price goes to its peak. Try to wait a little bit, maybe a little bit longer. Hopefully the prices drop and then you could try a cop then, because in Australia it's still technically winter, or it's still really cold, And so there's still time from now till summer for you to cop this beautiful sneaker. Anyway guys, thank you once again for watching this video. I do really appreciate it, and wait for the styling one, man, because I'm definitely trying to style these out as best as I can for you guys. And yeah, anyways, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.